Hey guys, this is John Lee Hilliard Jr. from JT's Vending. Today is Sunday, and I woke up this morning with with the with the urge to try to outdo my wife. We've been watching Great British Baking Show for the last what you said
2 or 3 years.
2 or 3 years. That's been our pleasure on Friday when we got some downtime after the kids go to bed. So we've been watching Great British Baking Show. And me and her end up getting obsessed during the winter. Let's see if we can bake some of this stuff. So, long story short, we got into a weird baking issue with just baking all kind of crap. And we followed Nadia. We love her. And we end up buying Great British Baking Show books. Let me show you. We end up buying this book and this book right here. And I mean, we've been going ham. So you guys see this date right here. I tried to make choux pastries, profiteroles, but they're choux pastries. But on 1/2/2022, I failed. And it was a hard fail for me. And it's my wife's, it's been hunting me ever since. It truly had, guys. That's my wife. We just, and I woke up I told her last night before bed at like midnight, when I get up, I'm going to master these profiteroles. This has been hunting me for like a year and a half, and it's been irritating. So, because me and her are so competitive, she hates failing, I hate failing. Anytime we fail, we fight through it, we try to figure it out. And today, guys, when I say I got these bad boys, I got those profiteroles exactly where they should be. What's today? 4th, 5th. Is the 5th?
Okay.
November 5th of 2023. I, John Lee Hilliard Jr., have mastered profiteroles!
Yay!
Yay! So, my daughter, Yeah! Uh-oh, slow down. Slow down.
Yay, Daddy!
Yay, we did it! Said we did it. Oh, look at her. She don't want to say nothing, guys. But yeah, we did it. I did it, and I didn't give up. I didn't give up. I kept fighting until I mastered it. So now, me and my wife will be going to something else. Still in the Great British Base. We'll still be in the book, but it'll be something like this, or we just like pushing ourselves, because I'm not a baker at all. When I said baking is the worst thing to me, baking is horrible and it's so complicated. But I told myself, I was like, well, hey, like I like adding new skills to my tool belt. Let's see if I can even be an amateur baker. My wife, of course, is an outstanding baker. She baked this last night. You see, it's almost gone. It's what is it called? Apple. It's apple.
Praline apple bread.
It's a praline apple bread, and it is delicious. So, guys, like I said, man, if you run into stuff that you're failing on, push yourself. Don't give up. If you're trying to add a skill to your tool belt, like personal finances or doing better in life in general, just keep fighting. Keep trying. Keep pushing yourself, and I guarantee you, you'll succeed. So, guys, please forgive everybody for morning face. Forgive the eye boogers and crusters in my eye, because I literally got up and started making these. Like, I didn't do anything else. I just got up, started cooking, started baking, so I can get it right. But thank you guys. Have a blessed Sunday. Au revoir. A bientôt.